everyone, Botany Insider is so happy to share that we have done it again, and from our various live and recorded batches we have got a lot of students who qualified for the JRF and the LS. We'll be bringing in a lot of interviews with them. Stay tuned for that. But we are so happy and so obliged to announce that we have done it all over again. And if you are preparing for December, do not forget to join us on our most affordable and the most high quality content courses as possible, right? You can download our application from the links given below in the description box and get yourself enrolled, right? Thank you for watching this video. Good luck, take care everyone, and all the best for the next attempt.